Brian with Inspired Mountain Vacations, hanging out in Snowmass, Colorado here at the end of February 2026. Staying at the Viceroy Snowmass tonight, enjoying the true ski in, ski out rooms here at the Viceroy. Viceroy has all of the amenities you need. Incredible restaurants, an awesome outdoor pool and hot tub area. We're gonna walk past that here in a second. But this ski trail that I'm walking down right now, it's got its own lift, the Aspen Hill lift, and the ski locker room is right on the slopes. We got Izzy the dog working today, I'll show you that. But this trail, I'm walking on it, is perfect for beginner skiers learning how to ski. Your private instructor will meet you right at the ski locker room. We are here passing the Viceroy Cirque building, and then we'll be coming up to the Pinnacle building also. You could be playing with the kids on this trail right outside of the Viceroy Cirque or Pinnacle building. Ski in, ski out. See if we get a little closer, make sure we don't hit anyone. All right, see, instructors going by all the time. So here's the king room, looking right out to the slopes there. We've got a fireplace, a large room. It's Brian with Inspired Mountain Vacations taking a break from skiing this morning. Where do you think we're at today? Just by looking at those pillows. We are in the heart of Snowmass, Colorado, staying here at the Snowmass Limelight. Here we are, staying at the Limelight Snowmass. Checking in this fabulous room right in the Snowmass Base Village. Incredible views, incredible location. Luxury hotel in the center of it all. We've got connecting rooms. We have got it all right here in Snowmass at the Base Village. Christmas Day 2024. Look at, and we're continuing with the ski in, ski out condos on our tour here today, Christmas powder days, and we're coming out to just a favorite of mine, the Crestwood, because of the location. Here's the Crestwood right here. These folks are standing right next to the ski locker room, taking pictures in the powder. We're going to go right up to the fire pit and see, there's the Base Village right there. Oh, there's Santa Claus right here. Check out this fire pit. Amazing location for this fire pit, and right behind those rocks is one of my favorite hot tubs in Snowmass. Ski in, ski out hot tub, ski in, ski out fire pit, ski in, ski out ski locker room, playing in the snow, learning how to ski. Fabulous. See these skis? You can't because there's powder on them. It's dumping. We've got a true ski in, ski out resort. I'm staying in a 1-bedroom plus loft with 2 full bathrooms with these corner windows. You guys get out here to experience Snowmass, Colorado, a true convenient ski vacation. I get you flying into the Aspen airport. You land and you're 15 minutes from your accommodations, usually a free shuttle from the airport. You land, get on that free shuttle. 15 minutes later, you're in your accommodations. You're at the Snowmass Base Village. You could be at the Stonebridge condominiums, 2, 3, and 4-bedroom condominiums, ski in, ski out. And there's the Snowmass Base Village, where the ice skating rink is, where restaurants and shops are located. Snowmass has got incredible kids ski free programs. They've got incredible $99 lift ticket programs. I'm the man in the mountains for you. Give me a call, 970-485-4091.